County, Western Mercer County, Louisa County, Southeastern Johnson County, Northeastern Washington County, Muscatine County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Atalissa to Nichols to 6 miles north of Aidsworth, moving southeast at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Muscatine, Aledo, Wapello, Columbus Junction, West Liberty, Wilton, Lone Tree, Andalusia, Riverside, Fruitland, Morning Sun, Millersburg, New Boston, Keithsburg, Grandview, Reynolds, Conesville, Eliza, Joy, and Columbus City. Take cover now. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Henry County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Andover or near Cambridge, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kewanee, Cambridge, Geneseo, Galva, Atkinson, Annawan, Woodhall, Andover, Lynn Center, Osco, Bishop Hill, Henry County Fairgrounds, German Corner, Tacoma, Kewanee Municipal Airport, Eula, Morristown, and Judson Sauk Trail State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 20 and 35. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 15 and 33. Take cover now. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning